Over this series, we've toured the entire landscape of big AI models, the closed American giants, GPT, Claude, and Gemini, and the open challengers, Llama, Mistral, Grok, DeepSeek, Kimi, and Qwen. You can now place every name on the map. So in this finale, let's turn all of that into something practical, a straight answer to the question you actually came with. Which one should you use? We'll match models to jobs, weigh open against closed one last time, and look at where this is all heading. Let's bring it home. Let's settle the big question first, open or closed. It's a genuine trade-off, not a right answer. Closed models, the ones you rent, tend to win on two things: the absolute peak of capability and sheer ease. You just log in and go. The price is that your data leaves your building and you pay rent forever. Open models, the ones you download, win on privacy, cost, control, and freedom from lock-in. You own your copy. The price is that you need a little technical setup, and the very best open model usually trails the very best closed one by a matter of months. Pick the side that matches what you value. Now, the practical cheat sheet. If you just want a capable, do-anything assistant that works with zero fuss, GPT through ChatGPT is still the safe default. If your work is coding or building AI agents, Claude is the professional's pick. If you're wrangling huge documents, mixing text with images and video, or you live inside Google's apps, Gemini is your model. And if you want frontier-level reasoning at the lowest cost, DeepSeek changed what's possible. Match the tool to the task, not to the hype. And if your priority is privacy, control, or building something of your own, look to the open camp. For a capable model you run entirely on your own hardware, Meta's Llama is the well-supported standard. If you want efficiency or a European option outside American control, Mistral. If you're a developer who wants something to fine-tune and build on, in any size, Qwen is the most popular foundation in the world for exactly that. And for enormous context and open agentic tasks, Kimi. There's now an excellent free model for almost any need. So where is all this going? 4 trends to watch. First, agents. Models are shifting from just answering questions to actually doing tasks for you. Booking, coding, researching end-to-end. Second, cheaper and smaller. The same intelligence that needed a data center is rapidly shrinking to run on your laptop and your phone. Third, open keeps catching up. The gap to the closed frontier is closing, giving all of us more free, powerful choices. And fourth, everything is going multimodal, one model that sees, hears, and speaks, not just types. The pace is not slowing down. If you remember one thing from this whole series, let it be this: there is no single best AI model. There's only the best one for a given job and a given set of values. You don't have to pick one and marry it. Most are cheap or free to try. So use GPT for one thing, Claude for another, an open model when privacy matters. Match the model to the job. And don't stress about always having the very latest. The leaderboard reshuffles every few months anyway. What matters is that you now understand the landscape, and you can choose with clear eyes. And that's the series. You started maybe hearing GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi as confusing noise. Now you know who makes them, what each is good at, the deep divide between open and closed, and how to choose the right one for you. That's not a small thing. That's genuine fluency in the most important technology of our time. Thanks for spending this time with me. If it helped, subscribe. There's always more to unpack. This has been the Big AI Models Explained on the AI Briefing Book. You're caught up. See you next time.